everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make the mini wreath ornament. What you're going to need is you're going to need a small foam circle like the one I have here. This can also be applied to a bigger wreath if you're making a full-size one. Same process. I use a 5mm hook, and then I have my Super Saver yarn here that I've already got started for the mini wreath. So how we're going to get started here is you're going to take your form and you're going to have the yarn behind it, and then you're going to go around and pull up a loop, and then you're going to do like you're doing a single crochet, just like that. For this first row, you do not have to worry about how many stitches you have. Our biggest concern here is going to be that we're making sure that no white or whatever your foam color is showing through. So I just continue to push over. If they overlap, that's completely fine. So I go under and around, pull one up, yarn over, and pull through both, and push down. Pull up and through, and keep pushing. Now, a lot of times it'll start forming like this. It's really easy to straighten everything out here as you go. You're going to have a little bit of a bunch on the top because you're going to be pushing your stitches. That is okay. So again, you take your hook, go underneath the foam, and grab the yarn, pull up, yarn over, and pull through both, just like this. So under, grab your yarn, pull up, yarn over again, and pull through both. And then you'll continue this all the way around. So continue with the under, grab, and through. I am going to get us to that spot and then show you the next step. All right, so we've done our first row of single crochets around the loop, and you can see mine are very tight. I've got some where they're overlapping. This a little bit looks a little wonky is the word I'm going to use, and that's just because we're pushing our stitches together, and that's why we're going to do another row of single crochets just to kind of level it out. So you do need 28 single crochets for the mini wreath. What I try to do, and it works out pretty well with this form, is I do 56. That way I have an easy time going back around. If it's not, just make sure that you're skipping evenly as you go around with your single crochets. That way it doesn't get kind of funky when you get to your next row. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain one, I'm going to skip one, and just do single crochets all the way around. Again, skip another, single crochet, skip another, single crochet, and I'm going to do that all the way around until I have 28 single crochets. So we'll get there, and then I'll show you the next piece. All right, we're back. We got our single crochets all the way around, and you can see it kind of leveled everything out from that first row. And now we're going to do the wreath part. Now keep in mind, if these are folding in a little bit, that's okay. That's what we want, because when we do our puff stitches on the next row, we do want it to fold in. That kind of gives it the wreath look. So what I'm going to do is I am going to chain two, and then I'm going to do my puff stitch in this next space. So you're going to yarn over, put your hook in, pull through. You have 3 on there, yarn over, put that in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, put your hook in, pull through. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over, put it through, pull up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yarn over, put your hook through, pull back. And now we should have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the puff stitch is the yarn over and then pull through 5 times, and then you're going to go through like this, and you have your first puff. Then we single crochet in the next stitch. We're going to do another puff. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, whoop, and I'm running out of yarn here, 5. So we can count again, make sure you got 11 on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then yarn over and pull through. Got another puff. And then single crochet in your next stitch. And you can see here and it's going to start to fold over, and you're going to get those bumps like a wreath. So we're going to continue the puff single all the way around, and that is the rest of the wreath. So pretty simple. Again, single crochet after my puff, yarn over, through, 1, yarn over, pull through, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way. Then we're gonna do a single crochet here, and it should start to curl as you go around. I'm gonna finish that up here, and we'll have our finished piece. All right, so we finished our baubles. You can see they started to curl over, which is what we want to give you that wreath look like this. And that is it. So then what I do is I just finish off the tail long, and I tie it through with the yarn needle to make the ornament. And then you can decorate them however you'd like. I actually got these in the dollar section at Target, but I did put some links where you can buy some online. Got some little berries here that I stuck right in there. Glued them on real quick. Add any decorations you want. And there you have it. You got your mini wreath ornament. Thank you all for watching.